Digital transformation is moving faster than ever. New platforms, AI tools, and automation are reshaping how organizations operate almost overnight. And in the race to modernize, most leaders are so focused on the technology that they miss the thing that determines whether transformation actually sticks: the people. Hi, I'm Shenoy, Chief Innovation Officer at Industrial Metal Supply Company. Over the past 2 decades, I've led large-scale digital transformation across financial services, retail, manufacturing, and hospitality in the US and across Europe. I've built teams, redesigned operating models, and driven change at enterprise scale. And one of the most consistent lessons I have learned is that the technology is rarely the hard part. The human element almost always is. And here is how to get that balance right. Point 1, change management is not a work stream, it is the work. Most transformation programs treat change management as a supporting function, a communication plan here, a training module there. But when you're fundamentally changing how people work, change management has to be central to the strategy, not an add-on. I've seen well-funded transformations fail because leadership underestimated how much people needed to understand the why before they could embrace the what. When people feel informed and involved, adoption accelerates. When they feel it is being done to them, they resist. It is that simple. Point number 2, empathy and data have to work together. Digital transformation generates enormous amounts of data: behavioral data, performance data, customer data. And leaders can get so focused on what the numbers are saying that they stop listening to what their people are experiencing. The best transformation leaders I have worked with use data to identify the problem and human insight to understand it. They are in the rooms having the conversations. They're asking the questions that a dashboard cannot answer. That combination of empathy and evidence is what leads to decisions that actually hold up in the real world. Point number 3, protect the culture while you change the operating model. When you are transforming how an organization operates, there is a real risk of disrupting the culture that made it successful in the first place. The relationships, the trust, the sense of shared purpose. Transformation that ignores culture does not just slow down, it often reverses. The leaders who navigate this well are deliberate about what they are preserving, even as they change everything else. They communicate constantly, they celebrate the people driving the change, and they make it clear that the mission has not shifted even when the methods have. So here is the bottom line. Digital transformation is a human endeavor first and a technology endeavor second. Get your people aligned before you roll out the platform. Lead with empathy alongside the data, and protect your culture with the same energy you're putting into your infrastructure. The organizations that come out of transformation stronger are the ones that brought their people with them. That is not soft leadership. That is smart leadership.